Yes, there you go, Jim. I've joined for free. I'm starting. There you go. Absolutely. I appreciate that. That's how you do it. Seriously, I've got all those ebooks and everything. Go over there, right? I don't care if you're in that room for 6 months, a year, 2 years, whatever you need to do. Go over there and start learning. Watch the videos, do the training, listen to the sound of my voice, listen to these amazing people that are in here, Palm Coast and David, and everybody else is going to help you out. Mark with Futures in the afternoon, Don with the aftermarket. We're here all the time, guys. There's zero excuse. Whether you have a penny or not, get in here. It's freaking free. There's so much you guys could start with for free. Seriously. Okay. When you are comfortable, when you trust what we're doing, when it makes sense, when, then and only then do we want you to become a member. Right? If you're not comfortable, don't buy anything. Seriously. I don't want you guys to feel like we're trying to scam you, and we're not. I want to help you change your life. You can't do that if you don't take the first step. The first step is literally asking for help by joining the free area. Hell, we won't even know who you are unless you say your name. You're anonymous, right? Come over, start learning. Just come over, start learning. That's all you got to do.